What's up, you guys? This is day 7 of Road to Profitability. Hope you guys are doing well. And let's go over Monday's price action once again. No trades for me. Um, Markets have not really been that good for me recently. Hopefully, I do see some setups later this week because it is starting to get kind of annoying where market, or I'll show you guys in this recap, but market just edges pretty much what I want to happen and then ends up playing out. So nevertheless, let's go into it. So coming into the day, more bullish bias, right? We are respecting this 4-hour and daily over here, and we are slowly filling this new week opening gap. Not really slowly, honestly. We're kind of pumping through it, but let's go on the 30-minute, right? My conditions for the day. We're this 30-minute right here. Obviously, if we respect this gap, I'm gonna look for longs. Disrespect it. Shorts, 2 range lows. Oh, my AirPods just dropped. So what happens off market open? So let's scale down to the 1-minute time frame. So we start walking down, right? So in this time, I'm looking at this right here, right? So we are generating. Let me turn off the magnet. We are generating LR, so low resistance. And it's looking pretty nice, right? And we are slowly walking down towards this 30-minute. So this is looking perfect to me, right? We are going to tap into this 30-minute. It's looking good on both pairs, ES and NASDAQ. So right as we get close to this shit, we're like maybe 5 points away. We're 5 points away. What happens? Oh, Trump started speaking. So Trump started speaking, or whoever the fuck decided to ruin my day. And we edged the shit. How many points is this, guys? What, maybe 3 points? 3 points, 3 points. Whatever, right? So I'm like, fuck. Maybe we're not going to take out buy side and we can still re-scoop this low. Nope. Next candle. Woo! Right? Okay. Okay, you know what? Maybe let's look for a continuation on the 15-minute, right? Let's wait for the 15-minute. Well, at this time, 10 o'clock, I kind of got off the charts, right? We're getting really close to buy side. I had to get ready for school. You know how it is, Cali traders. Waking up 5:30 a.m. for this bullshit ass price action, right? I woke up at 5:30 a.m. for this bullshit, bro. I'm telling y'all. Same time every single day. Just some bullshit. Trump literally knows the ICT traders and how they trade. He starts talking the milliseconds before, and it's just like, bro, some insider shit, man. But if we look on the 15-minute, right, I was already off the charts. I said this, right? We end up edging this buy side, right? So this buy side is over here. It's inside of a 15-minute gap, so technically a 15-minute, but we edge it. So we are adding to the pool of liquidity on the buy side. So if I was still on the charts, I'm looking at this, right? So the 15-minute opens right here. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for us to manipulate down into this 15-minute right here and have an inversion out of it. So what ends up happening? How long does this shit take? I was on the charts. So I'm pretty sure we end up making a 5-minute. Fuck. Ignore that, guys. Okay, so we end up making a 5-minute gap, or we trace down to the 15-minute in the 5-minute, right? Tap into the 15-minute. So this 15-minute has now been mitigated. I don't know what happened right there. So the idea of this trade is this 5-minute inverse, correct? Well, if I'm looking at this, right, okay, we are printing wicks and we are displacing off this 15-minute. It's good to see. Look at this formation right here. So yes, we did inverse this. I don't like just the overall structure of this inverse. I would 9 times out of 10 not take this. And also knowing just how my setup got absolutely nuked down here, I'm like, okay, fuck this. Like, I don't like price action for the day. I want to protect my capital. We edged my conditions. That was gonna be my trade for the day. Didn't end up happening, right? So at this point, I already got off. but what's the idea behind this trade? So we edge this, we start pumping up, right? We leave this buy side. So let's draw this out for you guys. I want to start drawing it out so I can kind of understand better as well. So let me actually zoom out a little bit. So market opens where? Right here, right? So market opens. Actually, let's do this. So before markets, we're gonna start right here. So markets slowly building up, right? And then market opens, and we get really close to this 30-minute, right? So let's say the 30-minute is, it's kind of scuffed. Sorry. 30 minutes right here. Market opens right here. We come down. So when market comes down, we edge this 30-minute, correct? And we start pumping up here, right? Shit, sorry. I don't use this tool much. So we start pumping up, and we have buy side right here. Let's say buy side is right here. We edge this buy side, correct? So we edge this buy side. We come back down. So a 15-minute gap opens up right here. So a 15-minute opens up. We tap into it on the 5-minute, and we get a 5-minute inverse. If I can find the tool, 5-minute inverse out of it, right? So we are going to use this high as our break even. This is the framework. Break even right here. And kind of just using this buy side as our magnet to get the 1-to-1. If you weren't taking a 1-to-1, this RR would have been cooked if you were just taking it to the buy side, which is another reason I didn't like this trade when I saw it, because I normally like trading low resistance, which just means like, let's just say this low resistance, like kind of just a trend line of liquidity leading up to a draw. So if there was an inversion, let's say right here, this would be nice, but right here, it's just space, right? There's nothing over here. There's no low resistance right here for us to take out. It's just this tiny bit of liquidity, which we are extremely close to. I guess we do have some low resistance on the 1-minute, but we are taking this on the 5-minute, and it's not looking that good. This trade doesn't look that good, but how does it play out, right? So this trade, or let me put this back, my bad. This trade does end up playing out if you hold the break-even point right here. So what happens? We come down a little bit. We start pumping up, and let me just play this out. So we hit the break-even, and then we have to take profit shortly after. We edge. If you went break-even right here, or you know what? If you put your stop loss at the very bottom of this wick, it kind of just depends where you put your stop loss, honestly, going for a 1-to-1, because you got edged if you did. But if you put it at CE of this wick and went 1-to-1, what would have happened? Take profit, right? So this trade was overall just not A+ for me. If it was A+ for you and you took this with conviction, you won. Great job for you. I'm happy for you. But for me, nope. But yeah, a lot of people went break even, so at a different point. So the ideal place, first of all, not ideal, like coming into this trade, your break evens right here. So what do? We come down instantly and we make this high. So I personally in this trade would have put this high as my break even now. So we push up above this high. I am not break even at this point right here. I'm break even. Next candle takes you out. So this does end up running to buy side. It just keeps walking up, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, it's kind of it for the day, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. I might upload a backtesting video soon, but dude, every single time I've tried to film a backtesting video, I click the random option because I want it to seem like I'm faking it, and it just gives me the shittiest price action ever. Like I was backtesting for 30 minutes straight and took like one break-even trade. There's no other setups, and it's just like annoying, right? Like I don't want to make a whole backtesting video of just no trades. I want it to be like kind of entertaining, somewhat, but kind of it for me today, guys. We'll see what price action is like tomorrow. Let's honestly check what the news is like tomorrow. Today was ass. It's all yellow folder. We have PPI. Not gonna do really. Yeah, just yellow folder mainly. yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And hopefully, actually, let me show you guys this. I did load up my eval. Why is it not working? Brother. Is it because I'm in? Yeah. So my account balance is at 51,150. I am on alpha futures. But yeah, this shit needs to go up. It's been still for so long. I haven't taken any trades, but that is good, honestly. I'm following my rules, but I don't know. I think I just need to be a little bit more reactive in these price conditions. I can't be like too stuck on analysis. I need to be more reactive, I feel like, sometimes. But today I just wasn't on the charts for this move. And this move up down here kind of got fucked. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.